The Kids House Children's Advocacy Center, a single point of contact for children child abuse prevention, investigation, and treatment in Seminole County, wanted to transform their stormwater pond into a wildlife pond and garden. They hope to use this area to help kids find peace and heal from their trauma. Seminole County's Education, Restoration, and Volunteer Program, along with hands-on Orlando volunteers, gathered up to help Kids House with their goal. Restoring their pond required two things: removing invasive plants and adding beneficial native plants. Two invasive plants, torpedo grass and Kogan grass, had established thick mats on the shore and in the pond. Continual monitoring and treatment will be necessary to keep these plants in check. These volunteers removed 60 bags full of torpedo grass. The Seminole County Watershed Management Division, the Couplet Fern chapter of the Native Plant Society, and Biosphere Nursery made generous plant donations.
So this is Canna flaccida, or golden canna. It's native to Florida, and we're planting it because it helps to filter excess nutrients and to stabilize the shoreline, and it improves wildlife habitat. So this is another native plant, Sagittaria lentifolia, or duck potato, that we're planting today, and it's helping to filter the excess pollutants from the water, just like the other species, and it also provides really good food for wildlife. Today. This is native bulrush, and this is native fireflag. And fireflag will have really beautiful pinkish reddish flowers, and it'll get very tall. And the bulrush also gets pretty tall and is great for birds to perch. That we're planting, pickerel wheat and Poncidaria cordata, and it has these beautiful purple flowers that attract butterflies, and like the other plants, it also filters excess nutrients from the water to improve water quality.
Over 1,700 plants were planted. These plants will grow and fill out the pond in the coming months. The Florida Yards and Neighborhood Program congratulates everyone involved in this great project.